But Pakistan is like the way there.
How was your visit to Pakistan?
Pakistan, oh, it's amazing. It's really amazing. I didn't, actually, yeah, I expect a lot because I knew Pakistan foods are really amazing, and I want to see the Pakistan buildings, equipments, and the history, everything. But the thing that I really surprised is their friend level, you know, like hospitality.
Hospitality.
It's just out of level. like level 1 to level 10. The other countries here, like some countries, yeah, level 10 hospitality. Some countries level 8 hospitality. But Pakistan is like the way there. It's different level.
We are proud. We're proud of these words, really.
So I was really surprised, and I'm so happy. So the people are so kind and so generous, and always welcome me. Always like, hey brother, you're my guest, and don't do anything. I will do everything for you.